Hello and welcome to this Bizmates for Beginners video series. And today's idiom is over the top. Over the top. Not the mountain, okay? Top of what? What does this mean? We will find out. But first, let's do our test. Okay, so you went drinking yesterday, okay? How was the drinking party yesterday? Oh, you had one too many, really? Well, drink lots of water. Okay, perfect. Okay, it means to drink too much. Now, today's idiom, over the top. Okay, what does this mean? Here's what I sometimes hear. So, imagine Taro went to Sanae's wedding. Okay, Sanae is our co-worker. And he went to her wedding. And I say, how was Sanae's wedding? Was it a nice wedding? Beautiful wedding? And Taro says, yeah, I think it was too much. What does this mean? Okay, I'm a little confused. I think it was too much. Okay, Taro wants to say that maybe it was too fancy. Okay, there too many people, there was too many lights, music, it was like a big show, not a quiet, nice wedding. It was a very, what we say, over the top, too much, okay? Maybe there were 500 people, 12-course meal, disco balls, and just too much, okay? So a natural way to say this, too much, is like this. So if I say, how was Sanae's wedding? Taro says, yeah, it was over the top. And you could say it was a bit over the top. A bit is also very natural. It was over the top. Too much. Okay, let's look at pronunciation. So it was over the top. It was over the top. You try. Good. Okay, with my question, how was Sanae's wedding? I see. Okay, perfect. For homework, so I'm going to ask you, how was Sanae's wedding? And you answer like this. It was over the top. Too much. Okay, please remember this. And we will see you next time. Thank you.